Welcome tubers, I am Kamara and welcome back to another episode of The Rocket Show. So 50-year-old Oral Willis of a Sentence Bay address was recently slapped with several charges including possession of cocaine, dealing in cocaine and importing cocaine. Willis was charged and arrested by the Police Narcotics Division under the Dangerous Drug Act. According to reports, the 50-year-old was stopped at the Norman Manley International Airport where he tried to board a flight. He was, however, stopped, interviewed, and based on his responses, he was detained. He was then taken to a medical facility where he later passed out, pun intended, 102 homemade capsule containing white substance resembling, you guessed it, cocaine. The 102 capsules collectively weighed 2.2 pounds and had an estimated street value of 1.5 million Jamaican dollars. People, this is a typical case of don't be stupid. I mean, cocaine still a keep? Who really does that? The airport technology has become highly sophisticated and persons are less likely to escape or to go undetected now with these modern technology. Why weren't you thinking? But I'm glad when people like you are very stupid and get caught. Because the reality is that cocaine ruins lives and tear families apart, and I have no sympathy for people like you. And here's another video making the rounds on social media. Viewers' discretion is advised. It has violent language and it may upset most of you.
Fuckhole! You don't know fuckhole! Right? You don't know fuckhole! Don't test me! Don't test me! Don't fucking test me! You fool, I'll spit in your face. Move from here. Move from here. Who do you think you are, girl? Who do you think you are? Go back to fucking Jamaica. Go back to your country. Go back to your country. I'll fucking box you up, yeah? You don't know who the fuck I am.
I cannot help but feel like say this woman blasting and cussing Jamaica has some sort of Jamaican roots herself. So is she one of those foreigners who throw stone behind them and forget about them homeland and is now behaving and acting all high and mighty? Mark you, I don't know the circumstances under which the argument was developed, but based on the context and what I can see for myself, this woman is a real piece of work.
You think you're tough? I'll show you who's fucking tough. I'll fucking show you who's tough. You want the scale. Don't piss me off. Piss me off. Horrible children from horrible different man. That's what you know. It's people like me who's paying my taxes and national insurance who's paying for you to fucking feed your children. You ain't done no one day's job in this London here. Who the hell do you think you are? And then you're cussing me in your stinking language.
I have to big up the authentic Jamaican woman for not playing into her hands and kept as cool as possible. I personally don't know if I could have kept my chill for that long. Probably would have gone to prison already and on my way here because they would have deported me. But anyways, tubers, what are your thoughts on the two stories covered? I would love to know in the comment section down below. Don't forget to like, share, and most importantly, hit that notification bell because I'm now understanding that persons aren't getting my notification for some apparent reason. So hit that notification bell to be more likely to see my notification when they do come up. Thanks again for watching, people. Until next time, wow, good.
That's all you know. Go back to school and learn your ABC. People like you're so illiterate you can't even read and write. Can you even spell your name? No. Yeah.